Humor is probably the central part of the creation. I mean, the work is a celebration of individuality, of being who you are. I mean, that's the first request I had with them when I met them, was I wanted to see 25 different personalities and to see these different characters evolve and develop and shine. The reason why, as you see, design-wise, from decoration, like the costumes that we had, they have this nice diagonals, and this wonderful meaning of this word in German, schräg, means a diagonal, but it also means someone whose personality or character is also maybe a little bit crooked, let's say, you know. So I think it's an amazing word. I love this word. And that's the inspiration for the work that we're now working on. Of course, the challenges are you're working with dancers from all over the world who you've never worked with and they've never worked with you. So in order to get your language across to them and to get them to understand and to trust that, it is a big challenge to try to make that happen in such a short period of time. But everyone knows that we're limited in our time that we have, and so you just go for it, you know. And I think a lot of beautiful things happen after, you know, not thinking too much and just all believing in the one goal that we have together. I believe what these young dancers have and will achieve by then should definitely be something that is celebrated, not just by us here behind the scenes, but also the people that are watching. And I really want that the public has a great time when they move in their seats, that their emotions move like a roller coaster with the dancers as the atmosphere changes drastically from ups and downs, and celebrate the individuality of the dancers and the work itself. I want that this experience is going to kind of give them more tools to carry with them, to take away with them, that they can use this experience to help them achieve, you know, new goals and to new expectations and new experiences that will come to them in the future.